So, good afternoon, Miss Fortunado. And I'm Kim Luis Vargas, and this is our research topic. The impact of proper hygiene in workplace environment due to COVID-19. We are the researcher that's seeking a problem from every workplace and how they avoid COVID-19. We also know that COVID-19 has a big impact, especially in the worker, because they close and temporary close because due to heavy lockdown and court of safety properment hygiene. So this is the some question or major question. How does proper hygiene has impact to workplace environment due to COVID-19? They say it's hard because we need to take a mask and face shield, especially protective gear, and it's too hard because they breath is not enough to specify their breath. And then the second minor question is how do employees follow the proper hygiene today in new normal? So they say especially they follow the rules and proper hand wash so they can avoid a COVID-19 and proper wash and physical distancing, because that's the three basic needs to avoid COVID-19 and to keep safe our safety hygiene. So the number 2 is why proper hygiene need to apply in workplace environment, and they say is to avoid COVID-19 and to keep safe while we are working, because they have a different environment in the past and now, because now is too hard because every walking you need to physical distancing, and everyone to talk you need the face mask. But when you talking is too hard because you're not clearly said what you want to say, because it's too hard because they may harang kasi. So let's go to significance, and this will significance to study, and this will be undertaken find out the impact of hygiene in workplace environment due to COVID-19. So we want to raise this awareness to everybody in workplace to how to do and how to avoid this COVID-19, because in this society they not know especially how to keep proper hygiene, especially the employees. They know the past is like wash and not proper. So we want to encourage other by our research to how they avoid a COVID-19 when they come into workplace and new environment, because now this the new environment of COVID-19 by COVID-19. So in conceptual mode, in input is the effects to employee follow the proper hygiene today's new normal. And proper hygiene need to apply in workplace environment. Number 3, addition of proper clean to workplace. The second is process, that we need to seeking what the problem and data gathering. So we need to going to library and conduct to the survey to the respondents. And output is what our topic it is. So the topic is the impact of proper hygiene in workplace environment due to COVID-19. So in 7 is in chapter 1, definition of terms is what are those meaning that you don't understand. So this the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the 8 ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 10 definition of terms. Sanitation. Sanitation is the process of removing bacteria and microorganisms. Pathogen. Pathogen are infectious agent in biological agent that cause disease or illness or it hosts. Infections. It can be transmitted to another one or more. Infectious. Infectious is not same infection because infection starts you and infectious is can be transmitted. Chapter 2. Review of related literature of study. This chapter contains a theories and facts. This some theories from the foreign literature and local literature. So they have different authors and information based on the recordsman's experience to give truthful information will serve basis. This is only basis, not fact. So for the study to be used to give us an evidence. So it will strengthen research. It serve as foundation. From foreign literature, according to Johann van Orphen, August 2018, the purpose of this paper is investigate whether in the cleanliness and work environment as influence on productivity and employees working environment, non-profit organization in the Netherlands. Thank you.
Hi, Miss Fortunado. I'm John Berhel George and I'm grade 12 HE3 and this is a research video defense. The research is all about proper hygiene in the workplace due to COVID-19. The researcher thinking problem through observation, formulation title, sample technologies, analyzing and interpreting data. We gather data from different kind of literature that can be used as our primary source of information and evidence that our research paper is really effective and relevant to their society, that local study and local literature was mainly focused on proper hygiene. The chapter 3 mainly focused on our target. We use experiment design as the research data because it's more focused on how workplace do and hygiene nowadays. Our target responded in 30 students in Arellano University, Plaridel. We gathered their data and idea and true about proper hygiene in workplace on what their perspective regarding on it. Also, the research instrument is helped this research to gather further data are the observation and writing survey through online. From the observation serve as the initial source that helped formulate idea regarding the topic on this research. We also use formula to evaluate the whole idea or result. The overall, this research was mainly focused on what people do on proper hygiene during this pandemic, on how to handle the situation of being aware on the situation. All of us are trying to adjust, but mainly the food restaurant should know how to handle this pandemic. Thank you.